spent, because that will put the ownership into a situation where A, they don't want to fire these, B, it won't be on their radar yet to do it, and C, given the fact that he hasn't spent this enormous amount of money, whoever spent it, I would have put a large portion of it down to him, because others would say, well, they fought for the future, not just for the army slot. A lot of
valid on selected leagues and markets only, applies to singles, multiples and bet builder bets on qualified player outcome selections, does not apply to odds boosts, T's and C's and exclusions.
Indication.com. Indications what you need. You know, I've tell fucking petrol goes down a lot quicker than diesel, eh? Oh, well, that's great.
It makes a big difference.
Sorry, one fucking green light, see, and we're going to miss the green light. Well, where then? Fucking hell. Hello, McFly, anybody in here? Fucking sitting at
another shovel light.
Sitting at a green light like a fucking Toby jug for about 12 seconds there. Do you know what? They'll be on the fucking phone. That's what they'll be doing.
Oh, I was just about to say that. What is it?
Indicate! Okay. What? Nice cyclist with no lights on the bike. Well done. Sausage. There's always one, isn't there? Always bloody one. Where off you go? Look at a man sitting there. Lost, I think. Look at them daft cunts fucking tailgating in these weather conditions, honestly. That's why you have friggin' pile-ups. Absolutely ridiculous. point of that? Hey, what is the point of that? Am I missing something here, Harry, or what? That's why you get accidents. They make it so harder than what it should be to drive on a motorway. I mean, why are they doing that? Just stay in that lane until you come off. Don't even fucking look, do they? Bloody hell. I know they've got right away, right? Because that's the highway code now. But, away, man. At least you fucking have a glance, because a lot of drivers don't know that's the highway. Oh, they'll have you put right in minutes, man. See? Fucking Ivor the Fiver telling us yesterday I can claim 250 £. Ivor the Fiver? Aye. It's a good name, isn't it? Who's that? Ivor fucking Taylor. Well, it's Taylor the tenor now. Look at these daft cunts here. Do you know, there's a sign that says
keep road clear.
Keep road clear. What do they fucking do? Where's people's brains at, Dennis, when they're driving? What the fuck's the matter with people?
I don't fucking know.
It's just been painted that as well a few weeks ago. Fucking, and it says it in big, broad writing. Keep clear. You wouldn't get cash in the attic, put it that way. It'd be an attic full of fucking bendy bullies.
You want a fucking refund of some people?
Well, that's a nice indication, you fucking wank spaniel. Hey, somebody else has got massively far. Massively far.